Connivance, the art of secret cooperation. Imagine a world where secret agreements and tacit understandings shape the course of history. Today, we're exploring a word that embodies this concept, connivance. Word type. Connivance is a noun. It is pronounced vans, with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, connivance refers to the act of secretly allowing or being involved in wrongdoing or illegal activity, often by pretending to be unaware of it. It implies a willful blindness or passive cooperation with something unethical or unlawful. Word history. The term connivance originated in the early 16th century, derived from the Latin word connivere, meaning to wink at or to close one's eyes to something. This etymology perfectly captures the essence of the word, suggesting a deliberate overlooking of misconduct. Antonyms. Some antonyms for connivance include opposition, resistance, and disapproval. These words represent active stances against wrongdoing, in contrast to the passive acceptance implied by connivance. Synonyms. Synonyms for connivance include collusion, complicity, conspiracy, and tacit consent. These words all share the notion of being involved in or allowing questionable activities, though each has its own specific connotations. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use connivance in various contexts. The company's financial fraud went undetected for years due to the connivance of certain auditors who chose to ignore clear red flags. Historical records suggest that the monarch's connivance in the plot against his rival was crucial to its success. The widespread corruption in the government was only possible through the connivance of officials at all levels. Environmental degradation often occurs with the connivance of those who prioritize short-term economic gains over long-term sustainability. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing connivance with convenience. While they sound similar, convenience means something that is useful or makes life easier. Another error is using connivance to describe open cooperation rather than secret or passive involvement. Remember, connivance always implies a degree of secrecy or willful ignorance. Mastering words like connivance can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam. It allows you to express complex ideas about complicity and tacit approval with precision and sophistication. As you prepare for your test, look for opportunities to incorporate this word into your writing and speaking practice, always being mindful of its nuanced meaning and correct usage.